How to buy stuff with Shein points. First things first is launch your Shein application and ensure that you're logged into your account. The very first thing that you want to do is of course to check your points or your points balance. To do so, at the lower right portion of your screen, just simply hit on the Me tab and then you should be able to see points beside vouchers. So this is where you should know on how many points you have for them to be able to use it as one of the source payment method to your shopping cart or to even lower down the full price of the parcel that you'd like to purchase. So say for example you would like this one. What you want to do is just simply add this item to your cart and then just head straight to your checkout page. Now, once you are successfully on the checkout page, all you have to do is just to simply change the payment method. So once you have filled out the shipping addresses and all you have to do next is to head straight directly to the points. Right there, you should be able to use your current balance on the points that you have from Shein for you to be able to make it as a source of payment for the full price of the product, depending on your balance. So that is how you buy stuff with Shein points.